Okay, welcome back to KL Investment Strategies for part two of the explanation of a little bit about our website. And I'd like to continue on because there are limits to how long I can do these videos. So, this is the part two of what our site is all about. And what we were talking about is here where you get the daily and the weekly recaps. Now, there's times when, if you go back to the home area, you're going to see a lot of recaps in here. So I might not do a market recap on a daily basis, but if there's something that, is important, then you'd get some of them in here. Um, Market outlooks are the same types of situations where you could go in there and you could read some of the articles that are very important to what's going on, in the markets and how it might affect your decision making process. Now, when you look through here and you're looking at the articles, basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to provide you with information so that you can learn a little bit more about the market in a news types of events similar to some types of events that you would see in a newspaper. And a newspaper would probably cost you 75 cents a day, and my memberships for just the basic is $9.95 a month. For the premier, where you get all the extra detail, is only $19.95 a month. If you were to take one trade and do really well on it, you could probably pay for your membership in a year or two. And a few other things that I wanted to show you. This is a nice one here. What's called Earnings Central. And basically, what I do here is on Sundays, I go through and I look at some of the key companies that are due to report earnings that following week. When a company reports earnings, it can have a major effect on its stock price. So a lot of times you need to find out who's reporting earnings and when, because there's many times that say you've taken or gotten a 50% profit and it's the day before a company reports earnings, you may want to lock in by selling 2/3 of your position just in case they have a report that doesn't beat the analyst expectations and it may drop 5 or 10% the next day. So this is a good area to know who's going to report earnings and when that's going to happen, and I do that every Sunday. So, that's basically what our site is about. We are continually doing a lot of different things. We are adding the Google Plus because what that does is it allows me to meet with 10 different members at any given time, and we can actually get together in like a chat room where you could talk to me and I could answer the questions, on my microphone, and you can hear me answer those questions. So Google Plus is a good way, like, we were talking about the investment clubs. We could meet maybe once or twice a month. Some other things that we can do is when you're starting out as a member, we could get on there and, it's kind of a one-on-one sit down and you can explain a little bit to me about maybe your investment experience, what your goals are. I can set you up with, how to set up an account. I can show you how to do some charts and how to research stocks. Just some of the basic things you need to know to get going. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to end this now, and I hope that I was able to explain to you what we're all about. We're not a very large company. I like to keep a personal touch with my members and let them call me or send me emails. So if you have any questions, my phone number here in this area is 607-542-3714, or click on the Contact Us button, send me a quick email. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll get back to you. So this is Kevin from KL Investment Strategies, and we hope to talk to you soon.